Oh! Oh god. I love how short these towels are.
Smoking your crones.
Kick. Alright, you're back out there. Alright, you ready?
You get him a face?
No.
Oh, Josh has it.
Yeah, I got it.
Alright, you ready?
Go get him, David, get him!
I'm trying to get it.
I'm getting sore.
Dang, I might win. Oh god, that sucks. Ah, nigga.
You better keep dodging, David.
That's hard to die. You don't suck.
Oh, that would have been a good one.
That would have been a good one too if he actually hit it.
Alright.
I can't be in Devin's corner, he's winning. Hey, I'm on face.
Oh god.
This should be a
David,
sport.
you need to get closer, man.
It would be a sport. Soon to be an Olympic sport. How weapon.
Have a towel weapon fight.
Asians would win.
Get him, David. Go in there.
Oh god.
My chin.
My bad. Oh god. I don't think I did. I think I came close.
Yeah, did you get hit in the dick? Hold on.
Now he my pants.
Good.
Get him, David.
Devin's quick on the field.
Yeah, he is.
David's all like, where'd my cow go?
Alright, I'm done.
I shot it. Oh, you're farting. Hey, Gilbert. That's hard.
What was I talking about? It was Gilbert.
It wasn't man.
Alright, you're gonna